Hello and welcome to Ruston Park Motors. Another new arrival today. This time it's a little 207 station wagon or SW. This is an Allure model, 1.6 petrol. Previously supplied by ourselves. It's 2013 on a 13 plate. Nice, clean, tidy car for its age and miles. Done 106,000. So previously supplied by ourselves to a local gentleman who has just bought a newer car from us. Drives well. It's had some money spent on it. Last time we prepped it, it had a clutch, it had some tyres, other bits and bobs on the front suspension, thermostat, a few other bits, all documented. And it will come with a service and a new MOT again before it goes. Nice and clean, seats are all nice. It's like a half leather sort of sports sort of seat on these, and they do have a pan roof, these Allure models. Sort of a sporty vibe to it. It's got like chrome around the dials. There's 106,225 miles. Take your time, they'll do high 40s, 50 to a gallon, and there's plenty of room in the back, so it's like a small estate car. More pictures on the website, that's rustonparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.